You know, your next bank loan might be approved by a robot. That's right, you heard me right. AI is taking over the banking world and it's happening right now. From spotting fraud in seconds to creating smarter financial tools, this technology is changing everything. But how will it affect you and your money? Let me break it down for you. Now, when it comes to AI is taking over the banking industry and it's happening pretty fast, faster than you think, from chatbots replacing customer service representative to algorithms predicting the next big financial crisis. Artificial intelligence is completely transforming how we bank. But what does this mean for you? In this video, I will break down how banks like JPMorgan, HSBC, and even fintech startups are using AI to cut costs, boost security, and create smarter financial solutions. Don't miss this deep dive into the future of money and how you can prepare for what is coming. Because it's important to know, right? Yes. Now, I say welcome to the future of finance, where AI is not just a buzzword, but it's running the show. Banks like JPMorgan and HSBC are spending billions on artificial intelligence to improve customer service, fight fraud, and even predict financial trends. But how does it work? And question many people have is it safe? Well, here's the crazy part. AI can process millions of transactions in milliseconds, but it's also replacing jobs. Chatbots, for example, are handling customer service better than humans. Is this the end of banking as we all know it? AI is also creating hyper-personalized banking experience. Imagine getting tailored loan offers or investment advice in seconds. No paperwork, no hassle. But with this great power comes great risk. Can AI truly secure your money from cyber threats? The future of banking is here and is powered by AI. Are you ready for it? I would like to hear your thoughts below. Share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification for future focused financial insights. I don't mean to scare you, but this conversation is necessary, especially now. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye for now.